that shit get started. You see what happened to me?
Her mom was like, when we left, like, don't forget to ride the horse.
Yeah, well, like I said, look what happened to me. Yeah. I used to have one dog. That's all. One dog. Now look at me. I'll be poor the rest of my life.
Ride it by yourself.
What?
Ride it by yourself.
You try it by yourself. Why not? Are you afraid? Well, but I didn't take him until after we're take him out there. Oh, I stay on?
Stay on, wussy.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Recording.
So we'll go out there.
Football.
And instead of me walking with him, he'll walk
Justin, don't walk in front of the camera.
Okay. And you'll kind of guide him in the circle. Okay. I'm being videotaped.
You look wonderful.
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Where's my lunch line, honey?
I don't know, I just said
Justin,
it.
go get